So I'm here in Azerbaijan. Actually, I'm at a protected area where we've seen reintroduction and a massive growth in the gazelle population from a couple of hundred to now 8,000 countrywide. So why am I in Azerbaijan? Because Azerbaijan is hosting COP29 and they are placing a focus on finance. We got to meet those finance targets. They're also lifting methane, having joined the methane pledge. They're moving on the cooling pledge. They're moving on waste. This is precisely what we want to do, and of course, move on renewables. So it is a great pleasure also that we at the United Nations Environment Programme can announce that Azerbaijan will be the host of World Environment Day 2026, come 5th of June 2026, and they will wish to place an absolute focus on the issue of climate change. So we from UNEP are just absolutely delighted that Azerbaijan is showing up, leaning in, and determined to make a change on the climate setting, a country here that suffers from climate change, but also a country that wants to be part of the solution.